So let's now start with 4 divided by 2. That is now 2, then 2 plus 2, then into bracket 6 minus 2. Then here now 2 plus 2 is 4, then 4 into bracket, that is now 6 minus 2, then shall close the bracket. So when you open this bracket, now shall now have 4, then multiply by 6 minus 2. So here now we shall now have it as 4 multiplied by 6, that is 24, then 24 minus 2, our answer is 22. So you might find that this answer is correct, but in short it is a very wrong answer because we've used the wrong method. So the best solution for working out this maths problem, we shall now have it as, that is 4 divided by 2, so 4 divided by 2, then plus 2 into bracket 6 minus 2. So we shall now have a trick or a method of working out this maths problem that is always known as the PEMDAS, or we can also talk about BODMAS. So the PEMDAS says that we always start with the bracket, so we shall now start with 6 minus 2. So all of this, we shall now have it as 4 divided by 2, then plus 2 into bracket 6 minus 2, that is 4, then shall close the bracket. Then when we open this bracket, here, when you open the bracket, we shall now have it as 4 divided by 2, then plus 2 multiplied by 4. So our next step is now to work out the division sign, that is 4 divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2, the answer is 2, then plus 2 multiplied by 4. So let's now work out the multiplication sign, that is 2 multiplied by 4. So now we shall now have it as 2 plus 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. So here now we shall now have it as 2 plus 8, and our correct answer is 10.